This is the Adidas Lexicon, probably one of the most hyped and talked about sneaker from Adidas for the first part of 2019. That's a big part due to the guy they collaborated with on the shoe, Hollywood star Jonah Hill. Guys, welcome to the vlog. This is Carlo, and for today, we are unboxing and doing my on-feet review of the Adidas Lexicon. I have no idea if I pronounce it properly, if it should be called like Lexicon or Lexicon, but yeah, that's the shoe. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we have another giveaway and we are announcing it in this vlog. So make sure that you guys stay until the very end of the video where we announce the mechanics of our latest giveaway. Go! Before we talk about the shoe, the history, the style, the comfort, and all of that good stuff, let's unbox the shoe. As you guys can see, it comes your typical blue Adidas box with the 3 stripes running along diagonally at the top of the box. Then you have the information of the shoe along the side. The price is over here, 7,000 pesos, and I got it true to size. In hindsight, I think I got it the wrong size, and I'll talk about that during my on-feet segment of this vlog. Now, when you pop the box open, as usual, you just get like the typical tissue paper of Adidas before you get to the actual sneaker. Guys, this is the Adidas Lexicon, and as you guys can see, it has a very strong 90s vibe with the chunky look, especially with that exaggerated heel part of the midsole. Now, this isn't entirely a new sneaker. In fact, it's modeled after the 1994-1993 sneaker Adidas Lexicon, which was originally a running shoe. Now, this one obviously is not built exactly for running and for performance. This is more of an athleisure style kind of sneaker, which is the reason why the guy who collaborated on it or co-designed it and worked on it is Jonah Hill. What is so special about the shoe? 2 things. Number 1 is the style. Number 2 is the comfort. Let's talk about the style first. When it comes to the style, it has a very industrial design kind of vibe. You have this transparent piping that runs along both the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker, which even extends here to the back that acts as some sort of pull tab. Actually reminds me a lot of the Asics Gel Light Gel Mai, if I'm not mistaken, with the Japanese characters in the middle, so it's very reminiscent of that. And then you have 3 stripes in blue along the medial and the lateral side. Another interesting thing is the use of exaggerated exposed stitching that runs across almost the entire part of the upper of the shoe, and then you have like what seems to be like tape that's written or that's plastered on the toe box here at the front of the sneaker. And then if you take a look at the middle part, this is my favorite part of the shoe, you have that, transparent piping moving all the way up, cutting through the 3 stripes in blue, and then you have the black laces, and then you have words written at the middle in between the 3 stripes and on below the laces. Now moving to the midsole, of course you have that chunky vibe with the shoe. You have that exaggerated, I don't know what this is, some sort of hoop over here that stretches both again on the lateral and the medial side. And then you have the adiprene midsole, which is extremely super comfortable, excellent cushioning. I'll talk more about that in a bit. That makes up the entire part of this sneaker. You take a look at the bottom, you have the outsole, which is definitely built for added durability and traction. So style-wise, I actually love the shoe in terms of color blocking, in terms of overall styling. For me, it is easily a 9 out of 10. I love the vibe, I love the look, I love the overall style of the Adidas Lexicon. Now, how about comfort? So I was able to put this on feet, and I did clock in like a few hours wearing this earlier today, and I can tell you that the adiprene midsole delivers, just like it delivered with the Adidas CZ 500. One of the most underrated super comfortable dad shoes that you guys can get today, mainly because it just doesn't have boost. Which brings me to the main point of the comfort discussion of the shoe. Not every shoe that doesn't have boost is uncomfortable, and this is the perfect example of that. I love how it gives excellent support, especially here at the heel part, which is important for me because I have some sort of like heel spur thing going on for my feet. And then I also love the feeling that I still get that cushioning despite the adiprene narrowing here at the forefoot, that it actually extends the comfort to this part of the shoe. The upper is also made out of breathable and elastic knit or mesh, so it does conform to your feet and it doesn't offer too much resistance when you move your toes around. Obviously, it's not prime knit, it doesn't give as much comfort as that, but it's not that bad at all. When it comes to sizing though, I would suggest that you guys consider going half a size up because the toe box is a little bit tight, and I made the mistake, I think, of going through to size. So I did go size 12, and in hindsight, after wearing it for a couple of hours, I think I should have gotten it a half size up. So if ever you do guys get the chance to try it in store, I would suggest that you guys go, well, try true to size if you have narrow and normal size feet, and if you have wide feet like me, consider going up half size up. So do I recommend the Adidas Lexicon sneaker? When it comes to my personal taste, I give it 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend it. Why? I love the style, I love the look, I love the vibe, and I just love how, you know, what it represents and what it's all about. And that's very subjective, that's very personal, so if you don't feel the shoe, there's no pressure to buy, guys. You can just pass. If you are on the fence, if you are looking for an opinion of somebody who actually owns one and has tried it, 2 thumbs up for me. Apart from the style, I also love the comfort. The Adiphrene midsole at the end of the day just delivers exceptionally well. Lastly, the price isn't overkill. It sells for 7,000 pesos here in the Philippines. That's roughly, I don't know, $140 US. So it isn't crazy. It's not overpriced. It's not extreme. It's not too wild. It's something that I think a lot of people, or at least a considerable number of sneakerheads here in the Philippines, can afford to buy. I copped this pair from Commonwealth over at Greenbelt 5. So if you are looking for a pair and you want to try one on, go drop by the store, try it on feet, walk around in it a bit. It's free anyway, and if you like it and if you feel comfortable and if you love the overall style and vibe like I did, then why not and go ahead and cop it. If ever you do happen to find yourself in Commonwealth, I did also find a bunch of new sneakers that you might find interesting. First up, we have an Asics Gel Light 3. I think it's a collaboration with Sabotage, but I will double check. It has a really cool military camo vibe, and it even has some sort of like shield with bands that cover the middle part of the shoe. I would have copped this sneaker in an instant. However, the Gel Light 3 is not friendly for people with wide feet. I mean, literally, that space in between the tongue just opens up really bad. So it's not for me. But if they did have it in size 13, a full size up, I probably would have copped. Sells for over 8,000 pesos or a little over, I don't know, $180 if I'm not mistaken, if my math is not wrong. Apart from that, they also have the new Nike ACG collection. So they have 4 sneakers in total. All of them look pretty dope. I mean, the loud colors, the bright colors in contrast with the dark shades, they just look really nice. And apart from that, they also had like a new ACG jacket, ACG bonnets, or beanies, whatever you want to call them, and ACG hats. So again, guys, if you do find yourself in Commonwealth, it's not just the Lexicon that's available over there right now. There are a lot of great sneakers for you to try out. By the way, the ACG sneakers sell anywhere from 5,700 to 6,500 pesos, or a little over 110, 120 US dollars. Affordable, looks crazy, looks dope, and definitely looks different. 2 more things before we end the video, and make sure you watch until the end because I'm about to announce the giveaway. I just want to give a quick shout out to Chris Jacobs. They're a local company that does like local perfume. It is made in France, it is blended in France, but they are a local company that offers extremely affordable perfume and cologne. So if you guys are looking for one, I think they blend it approximately to the scent of the more popular ones. So if you might want to check it out and you are on a budget, Chris Jacobs, I will put a link down below to their Instagram account. Thank you for sending the 2 perfumes for me and my wife. Now we get to the fun part. This is the giveaway. Guys, I know that you probably saw my unboxing of the rose gold and black watches. These are minimalist fashion designer watches that you can wear with any outfit, and they just look crazy dope. Now what we'll be doing for the next giveaway is I'm actually going to give away one of the 2 watches here in my hand. Now they come in 2 colors. The first one is in all black. I will put a link down below actually to my full unboxing of this if you haven't seen it yet. So here you have it. This is the full black watch, and we also have the watch with the rose gold case. So the band is still black, but the case is rose gold. So what we'll do is, what I want you to do is to leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle, and then let me know, just say black or gold, which of the 2 that you guys want to have. And then I will randomly pick one winner after 1 week. And then whatever you guys pick, the black or the gold, I ship over to you. Also don't know, Rose Gold and Black is a premium accessory maker based out of Australia. They make bracelets, they make necklaces, and they now make watches. I have a 25% discount code for you guys. It's something that they made just for us. I will put it down below in the description box. If you want to shop for a bracelet, like this one is my favorite beaded bracelet from Rose Gold and Black, check them out. You might enjoy their products. 25% discount is not that small, so take advantage of it. So yeah guys, that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!